Make it down. Look at that bad mother.
Pretty cool.
About ready to get engulfed. Oh, people hate it when I do this, but I gotta give you one full length of this. Oh, it's bad.
Gosh.
It's bad looking. Look at that bad boy roll in. What do we got for scarves to cover our faces?
Oh, look how fucking quick that's coming, man.
That's what I'm saying. Look over here. Look over to the right. Look at that thing.
Oh, come on, work.
I don't think I have my scarf with me. Shoot, I don't have my scarf. Look at that bad mother. Look at that clamshell. Oh, it's gonna get dark. It's gonna get nasty. It's gonna get dark. It's gonna get nasty.
I can hear scores.
I'm gonna just keep it on video. It's already on top of us. You can see it coming in and it's moving quick. Look at it hitting that. Look at it take over the tower right there. I don't hear any warnings on the radio or nothing. Get some gum though. A little bit of gum. Get my finger out of the picture. There you go. Take this in the other hand for me, would you? There you go. Alright. Oh, shit!
Oh, what that was way too scary. It is pitch black.
Look at those lights disappearing over there. Look at those lights disappearing. It's moving quick. Move in quick. You gonna get in your truck? Are you gonna jump in your truck, you sissy?
Gas mask.
Oh, you got a scarf with you? Suck. I don't have one.
I've got the scarf.
I don't have my scarf. I'm gonna have to rough it. I have to pull the shirt over my face. You don't have another one, do you?
Shit, this is gonna get pretty hard.
What do I got? You got another rag in there? Oh, look how dark that just got. That's crazy.
You've been watching this the whole time?
Oh yeah, we got it all on video.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the radio as well?
Oh, that's it. It's dark now. Look at them lights disappearing.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at these guys disappear. And it brings the rain in.
Oh, that's the guy to go shooting with.
Look at that light. Oh, it disappears. That's how dark it is right now. Look at that. You can't even see the light anymore. That's bad to the bone. I can't even see Chris. He's standing right in front of me.
That's just nasty though. Just real nasty.
I gotta get my glasses back on because I can't see a fucking thing. The sand's so hard. Oh, look at that light. You can't even see the damn thing.
There.
Woo! It's raining. That's the best part about this whole thing. It's raining right now. There's Chris. See how close I gotta get to him where you can see him. You can't. He's standing right next to me, but you can't see him.
My eyes.
I'm telling you, look at that light up there. It's still daylight out right now. I've been videotaping this whole thing this whole time. That's how dark it just got with that sandstorm rolling in. This is just bad to the bone. Look at that thing. I mean, it's nasty, don't get me wrong. You can't see nothing. I got my sunglasses on just trying to cut the sand down going in my face. It's windy. It's windy as can be.
I've seen it up.
I got my shirt over my face.
Yeah.
And I'm still sucking dirt.
So what it looks like is ash,
Yeah,
or
totally.
smoke,
Totally.
but that is a Arizona dust storm. We don't get rain, we get dust storms.
Well,
Like the Middle East.
yeah.
This is when people are gonna stop and like not drive.
Yeah.
Looks like a cloud just fell.
Yeah, it really does.
Little
Looks like it just went. Look, you can see it moving right here.
Yep. You're clear, right?
Yep.
Well, we're officially going under it.
Look how dark it just
It just got real dark. And turning into night.
Oh. Whoa! Okay.
Fully windy.
I can feel it.
Well, that's an Arizona dust storm for you.
Jesus Christ. I'd say our visibility's at 100 yards, maybe. Lights at 100 yards, visibility 50 feet, 60 feet. You
Yep.
can barely see the next street light.
That's the sky. All around us. That's gonna be a cool video.
Yeah.
That went right in.
I'm guessing I probably
Into the
shouldn't hit
dark.
my turbo.
No.
Cannot see the street signs that say "Get off the freeway."
I know. I assume this is Arizona, right?
Yeah,
There's a street sign that's coming.
You can.
Can't see it, can't see it. There we go. Arizona Avenue.
Wow. Cannot see anything.
No signs.
Can you feel it blowing the car?
Oh yeah. Dang, talk about like
Traffic has
lights
slowed to about
out.
40 miles an hour.
40. Usually people are doing 90 something.
I cannot see where we need to stop.
There you go. Lines are good. Wow, that got really dark really fast.
Wow. Look how fast it's moving in front of us.
Yeah.
You can see the
Well,
dust.
that's an Arizona dust storm. Thanks for watching. Alright, now that I'm driving, I can't see a damn thing. And it's only 7:30. I mean, it was nice daylight out. And this dust storm blew in like complete darkness, and there's a stop sign that you can't see. It's right there. I got my flashers on because it's a little easier to see people. But yeah, it actually looks a little clearer in the video than it does when I'm actually driving. But yeah, you can't see anything. Kind of an interesting drive, but typical dust storm, I guess. It's just a big one. It blew in really fast, tons of wind, and you can hear all the dust and rocks and stuff bouncing off the windshield. It's pitting everything. And this is one reason why paint in Arizona doesn't last. Dude, alright, don't turn in front of me. That's not rain, those are rocks. I don't know if you can hear that in the video, but see the blowing dust across the road. A lot of people pulled over. Don't swerve in front of me, douche. Holy shit. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Random people stopped all over the road. You know, I'm not worried about driving myself. I'm worried about all these other idiots. This dude way up on the fucking berm. Dude, people are behind the guardrail. What the hell? Dang, it's windy. Holy crap. Not the worst thing I've driven in. I've driven in far worse storms in Chicago on the freeway, on the tollways and stuff. This is Arizona. When it rains, people freak out and cause massive accidents because they slam on brakes and do stupid shit. So, I'm more worried about those people than I am me. Anyways, I'm gonna quit videoing. It's kind of boring. You get the point.